Making Hebrew culture accessible to everyone. An independent progressive Jewish group called Kehillah held its third annual Purim party this evening. Photojournalist Joe Valdez gives us his up-close look as his plus one to the celebration.
So this is actually not yet.
Who doesn't have one? Who needs one?
Purim.
Who needs one? Who needs one?
This is the Hebrew month of Adar, and the idea during Adar is that spiritually we're supposed to uplift ourselves.
Are you a king? Yeah. I like your crown.
What do you say?
So there's an idea in the book of Esther that Esther is hiding herself, and specifically hiding her Jewish identity. For me, it goes back to that idea that if you've been cooped up all winter long, when you have that sort of stepping out, you're going to want to be sort of celebratory. We're going to do a Megillah-ish reading, meaning that we're going to do the book of Esther. We're going to do it in English, that way people know what's actually going on. But there's a very important part. Very, very, very important part. Every time the bad guy's name is said, you have to do something. So what do you think you're supposed to do? All right.
Having a safe space and having a place that we can, be part of our community, because Kehillah means community, is what's really important. And it's really important to have our children see that we can come together as a community.
Even though it's tough, even though there are things that get you down, even though there are struggles, just find joy somehow.
And the memory of them shall never perish. Thank you so much, everyone. God bless. Thank you for being here. Enjoy the food. Enjoy the drinks. God bless you all.